There's different ways to calculate IV push dosage calculations. The easiest approach to calculating IV push meds is to use the formula method. Order over half times volume equals how many milliliters to be administered for a right dose. As you can see in the lower left corner are the definitions to the formula. An example would be to give 4 milligrams IV push, and you have in hand 40 milligrams in 20 milliliters. You simply take those numbers and plug them into the formula. So the doctor's order is 4 milligrams, and you have 40 milligrams in 20 milliliters, which equals you're going to administer 2 milliliters for the right dose of 4 milligrams. Hope this video has been helpful to you. For more practice problems and a better understanding of drug concentrations, there is a link below to get my book. Thank you again for watching, and please click the like and share buttons.